saga of a man accused of killing a college co-ed 29 years ago continues tonight.
This says he could spend 20 more years in prison on a technical parole violation. News 3's Jessica Arp updates us now from the News Center. Jess?
Well, the man previously accused of killing a UW student could spend many more years in prison because of the drinking and drug using he admitted to doing the night she died. Ralph Armstrong was convicted in 1980 of murdering UW student Sharice Camps, but that conviction was later overturned, and in August the charges were dropped. Armstrong was sent back to New Mexico this summer, where he had been on parole for sexual assault charges in the 1970s, and he faced parole violations for drinking and taking drugs the night of Camp's murder. After a two-part hearing with no legal counsel allowed, the New Mexico Parole Board revoked Armstrong's parole and sent him back to prison.
Common sense tells you that it was something beyond just this violation. You know, whether it was information from the Wisconsin authorities or from the prior victims in the case that we weren't told about. I don't know. Somebody obviously must have been providing some information to the board to make them reach the decision they did.
The parole board gives no reason for the decision, but confirms victim statements were considered. Buting says he's concerned Armstrong's rights were violated and plans to appeal the decision. Now, since Armstrong committed the crimes and was granted parole under New Mexico law in the 1970s, he was given an indeterminate sentence. That means he can go before the parole board each year, but his projected release date would be 2029. The more common penalty for this type of parole violation under the new law would be 30 to 90 days in jail.
News 3's Jessica Arp reporting in our News Center. Jessica, thank you.